because he couldn't shut the valve off, and he's like 40 mile away. Cut them here, put reducers on, and then chop them into the wall. That's the worst bit. That's how you fucking do it. Okay, so what we got is a mate of mine, he's reboarding all his walls and that. Another video a few weeks ago showed me telling him how to stop the flow coming out the rad like that because he couldn't shut the valve off, and he's like 40 mile away. So I've come over today. So what we're gonna do is cut this pipework out. It's 10 mil. From what I can tell, it's going into here. So we'll cut this, expose that. I think what we're gonna have to do is put 10 to 15 mil reducers on and come out in 15 mil, because the 10 mil just goes up under the floors in the house and he doesn't want the disturbance to it. So we'll put 15 mil couplers on. At least then it'll give it a bit of a better chance on the radding and get a bit more heat into it with a bit of luck being a bigger bore. So we'll expose this and see where we're at. There we go, there they are. So what I'm going to do is cut them here, put reducers on, and then chop them into the wall, so they're into the wall to get for the radiator when that goes on. Noise down. So what I'm going to do here is leave the heating system filled up because it's only 10 mil. There's not going to be loads of pressure behind it. So I'm going to cut it in situ, snatch it, get the fittings ready. That's why I've got plastic pipes, because I've got a little bit of flex, a little bit of movement on them. So I'll come off the plastic into a 15 to 10 mil reducer and snatch it, tighten it up straight away. Get my grips ready, the fucking bucket ready. Let's go live, baby. Let's fucking do it live. It's a Friday. Fuck it. Yeah, all good. Might get a bit wet. Oh, it's getting hot as well. That's the worst bit. When you're trying to put your thumb over the end and it's red hot. That separates the boys from the men. Me about it down. Live, baby, live. Let's do this.
can do it.
So I'd say only do that if you're dead confident about cutting into a live heating system. You're better off having all the bits ready, all the fittings ready, your spanners ready to get it, the fitting straight back on, tightened up. And because it's a gravity fed system, you haven't got to repressurise the boiler. It'll automatically top itself back up, vent the rad, away you go. So that's connected up now, filled up, rad's getting warm, plasterer can then plaster down, cover those pipes up so they're sunk in the wall, so all you see is the tails coming out into the rad. Job done.